Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to extract text in Windows 11 using this new feature in the sniping tool. So you do not need to install anything, you just need to have this sniping tool available in your Windows 11. If you go to the Windows search bar and search sniping, you can see this is the sniping tool. So if you have that, then you are good to go. Alright, so if you open the sniping tool, you can see this is its window and you can easily click new so that it will have a gray overlay. That means it is ready to capture either a screenshot or a specific image in your window. So this is really useful as you can drag. So if I were, let's say I want to extract the text in this image here, and then just drag and just highlight it and it will appear it like this. So once you have this in this tool, you can go up to the top here. You can see a text icon here, text actions. So you just click on the text actions. It will take a while to load and upload the image and do its processing, and then it will highlight the text. So right now you can see that I am able to highlight the text here. You can highlight the text that you want, right click and copy text, or just Control C for your copy shortcut. So just copy text, first person ever, and then if you go back here, you can search that it is already copied. You can also use Windows Shift S to bring up the sniping tool. So just Windows Shift S. Okay, it will highlight immediately. You do not need to search for the sniping tool, and then just highlight wherever you want to copy the text, and then you click on it to bring up this sniping tool. Press the text section again. It will take a while, and then it will highlight it. If you want to highlight all the text, just Control A, Control C, and then just go back here, and as you can see, it is already pasted. So if you notice any inaccuracy when extracting your text using the sniping tool, make sure that your image, the text in the image is as large as possible and as clear, because it relies on the pixels inside in the image to analyze. So if it's blurry, if the image is blurry, it will have a hard time actually extracting the text. So I can, for example, I want to make it bigger here, I can just open my image into new tab. So right now, as you can see, it's much bigger, and if I use the shortcut Windows Shift S, and then I can just highlight the text here, it's much bigger. So it is, right now it will be more accurate. So yeah, this is it. This is how you extract text. Make sure to watch my other video if you want an even faster way to extract text using the Windows Power Toys, which means you need to download an application, but it's also really easy. If you are interested, check that out. Otherwise, make sure to comment down below what else you want to watch and any AI tips that you want to learn how to do. I'm JJ from Zeroverse. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great rest of the day. Peace.